Hi, I have a TRANE XV90 that I am attempting to plug a new Honeywell WiFi thermostat to replace a failed thermostat. I have a 6-wire bundle that goes between the furnace and the thermostat. The red, green, yellow and white are used by the current thermostat. The blue and black wires are tied off at both ends. The new thermostat requires a C ommon wire with 24 vac. Is there a way to wire this, or do I need to get a 24 vac transformer?
You can use one of those unused wires. Just connect it to C at thermostat and C in furnace. If furnace does not have C terminal, let me know. Give me model on furnace and I will help you find common.
The furnace is a TRANE XV90 and does not have a C terminal, though it has a BC terminal. It has a W1, W2, R, G, BC and Y. The 4 furnace wires are as follows: white W2, note, W2 is jumpered over to W1, red R, green G, yellow Y. There are 2 additional cables that have a white and a red wire going to the terminals as well. One has red B/C, and white Y. The other cable has white B/C only.
Okay, that BC is your common. Connect one of the unused thermostat wires there in the other end to C on thermostat. You will leave the red going to outdoor also. That is taking common to outdoor unit.
Okay, I will give it a try and answer back shortly. Thank you.
Standing by.
What I should have checked first before replacing a seemingly failed thermostat was the furnace itself. It appears the blink code on the unit is saying replace control unit. The new and old thermostats fail to light up, so I am guessing this is related. Thoughts?
Okay, now this will begin a different direction. Thermostat should work this. What is the model on furnace and what error code are we getting?
XV90 furnace, continuous light on the diagnostic blink light. The sticker says continuous is replace control unit. Any ideas before I call a HVAC service in?
Replace control unit is referring to the furnace control board, not the thermostat.
Correct, the control unit is in the furnace, not the thermostat. Is there anything I can do to diagnose the control unit issue, or is this call HVAC guy time?
You could replace that board if you want before calling a tech. Probably save quiet a bit if you are comfortable doing so.
I am proficient DIY kind of person, but replacing the control unit in my furnace with none of the original manuals handy seems risky. I think I will have to admit defeat and call the HVAC guy. Thank you for your help.
I understand. Thanks for letting me work with you to this point.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.